What's happening, guys? Just got back from Redbud, back here in the shop. I picked up some footage while I was there, so I put this little video together for friends and family and some of my YouTube viewers that are interested in that kind of stuff. If you come here mainly for shop stuff, well, this video is not going to be shop stuff, but we're going to go to the track, walk around like a spectator. While I was there, I also brought home a Redbud rock. And if you mainly come here for the shop stuff, well, catch me in my next video. I'll be back in the shop busting them out. Anyway, let's get to Redbud.
On today's flight, connect to the DeltaWiFi.com network to get started.
Redbud. Happy 4th of July, everybody.
Two. Real, yo, you can do 5 even.
Pulling into Redbud in our rental car. Interesting, up here in Michigan, everything's green. I kind of didn't expect that being from Florida, but it's nice and green. Helicopter keeps flying around. I don't know what for. I hope no one's hurt. Put my hat right here because this is a rental car. They all look the same. We're here.
Motocross championship is finally here. And
Look at this dirt. There's Natasha. Oh, it looks like they have a lot of food, so that's good. If we get hungry, have the Monster Energy Towers there, get some 666 drink. All right, here's where we already have our ticket, so all we got to do is enter.
I've seen your videos lately. Love them. Yes. Yes.
Got to do a number 2. We're walking in. Check this out. Well, someone will come up here. There we go. All right, we gotta get up there. Let's get up there. Our free Mark of the Beast drink right here. Gotta get lifted.
Bitch, you know what I want. Want to throw it all down and get lifted.
Made it to the other side. Oh, I hear about going over our head. Let's see.
All right, folks, we're gonna have fun. Thanks for coming up to celebrate.
Yeah, this is
It's a tradition for many of these families. They come here, they get here early, they race. There's 4 different opportunities to race here. You practice on the big track, couple on the night track, and then tomorrow you're back out here. All right.
I found shade. Heading for the shade. Right now, I believe this is just qualifying. Hunter Large. qualifying's done, so now we just sit around, hang out, and wait for the race. A weird cone head. Hey, we got a smoker.
Give a special shout out.
Alright, so this is LaRocco's Leap. There's a run at it right there. Hard to believe Bubba Stewart ever did this on a 125, but yeah, look at the soil. It's kind of a little rocky. Hope they have some chest protectors on and stuff, because that stuff will pelt you.
To their families so they can enjoy the rest of their weekend. And in God's precious name, everybody, amen.
Amen. Red Bud! All right. Make some gas and hauling ass.
For the land of the free and the home of the
Watson will be bringing you the race out. He's second in points and he wants more. It's the number 96 of Hunter Lawrence. From Hamilton, Ohio, on the Red Bull KTM, the people's champion out there. Say hello to the number 7 of AP, Aaron Leffinger. Cold Springs Harbor, New York. He's part of that Star Yamaha backed by Monster. Looking
Moto 1. Here they come. 450s.
Lawrence brothers get a big start right there. RJ Hampshire, the Floridian, in the mix, and Hunter Lawrence is out front right
Go plus. Your daddy was a vet.
In honor of the military.
Honor your daddy. I'm laying down. I had 2 Monster Energies. Yeah, and now it crashed.
Monster Energy too.
Yeah.
Were you looking at my short?
This is going on YouTube.
No, don't put that on there.
Oh, jeez.
That looks like a weirdo. We gotta make it.
Alright, now you can blow the horn. Before we go, from our Moto Hero, we've got to get a red bud. Come on over here. You're not afraid of heights, are you? You're from the airport.
I'm gonna get a red bud.
All right, are you ready? So guys, give us a red bud. You guys help the count on the 3-1. Asher, come on over. You can help too. 2, 3. That's how they do it in the United States of America.
Everyone's tired. Earlier on,
Yeah.
now it's like,
They're coming.
Turn number 1. Who do we see get into turn number 1? Shimura. It's a big jump off the gate.
Where are they?
Made a mistake for sliding out, wanting too much, and just made a mistake,